WeatherMax forecast with meteorologist Dave Anderson.
Down south this weekend, yeah, indeed, places like Rochester got upwards of 12 inches of snow. Here in our neck of the woods, thanks to a protective high-pressure system. About the most exciting thing we got was a little freezing fog here this morning. And this picture coming out of Hermantown from Heather Mose shows that, yeah, even freezing fog can be a beautiful thing. Now, we've got some real snow coming our way tonight, maybe just a couple of flurries, but the better chance of snow will hit us on Wednesday when we could accumulate about 1, 2, maybe even 3 inches. But first, we'll focus on the here and now. The here, that's a live picture of Ely behind, where it looks all right. A couple of flurries are possible there tonight as well. And the here then and the now includes the current conditions out of the airport in Duluth, 23 degrees, cloudier sky. Wind southwesterly 9 miles per hour, and our barometric pressure 29.97, 74% for the relative humidity. Current regional temperatures on the warmer side, we're looking at low to mid 20s for much of northern Minnesota, even upper 20s as you get towards Moose Lake, and we're looking at anywhere from 24 to 27 in northern Wisconsin, with the 24 being found in Hayward, 27 towards Superior, and upper 20s in the Upper Peninsula. One exception, of course, it's a little bit cooler up the Gunflint, 19 degrees there. Low temperatures tonight, probably in the teens for many of us here, maybe a little bit cooler towards the border. And bottom line is that by the border here, we have our best chance for snow showers tonight as a small trough of lower pressure passes by. It is kicking up a 30% chance for flurries region-wide, so don't be too surprised if you see any of that activity in the UP or Wisconsin or even south of the Duluth area. But I don't think this round is going to add up to much. And then for tomorrow, as we'll be caught in between lower pressure systems, I think the flurry chance goes away, though we'll hold on to the clouds. It'll be cloudy but dry for tomorrow. And getting into Wednesday, that's a different story coming to call here. It's a slightly bigger low from the west that'll be bringing us an 80% chance of snow. And I do think on Wednesday, the snow totals could look like this around the area, about an inch or two, no matter what town you pick, and towards the snow belt might be in the 3-inch range. Now let's fire up the range of temperatures tonight in Minnesota with our forecast, which calls for indeed low temps to go as cool as the single digits from border country down towards the Mesabi range and into the Vermilion as well. And then about 10 to 13 for the rest of Minnesota and the 30% flurry chance, which spills into Wisconsin and Michigan. Low temps there a little bit warmer, 13 to 16 above. And I'm saying above now because later this week we'll be talking about those numbers below. Tomorrow, daytime highs, Wisconsin, Michigan, cloudier sky, 25 to 27 degrees. Mostly cloudy in Minnesota as well, with inland highs near 23 and lakeside highs also close to 30. Maybe a couple of places might even crack it by a degree or two. Here's the extended forecast. Anthony, we get calm conditions on Tuesday, high 25, then 80% chance for that light snow on Wednesday. And once that departs, the cold air charges in behind the departing low. Arctic high pressure takes over for Thursday, Friday. High temps 0 to 10 above. Overnight low temps 15 to 20 below. So you'll be shivering for about 48 hours. And by the weekend, we go back towards normal. Mid-20s for highs and at least single digits above 0 for the low temps.
Hey, that's a quick cold snap, though. I don't mind that.
Yeah, when they start to go for 5 to 7 plus days, then they get a little bit tiresome, yeah.
But hey, that and then right back up into the 20s, we'll take it.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Dave. Well, that's all about